Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with another great product review. This is from ClearAudio.com. It's the Cleer Ally Plus Noise Canceling True Wireless Earbuds. These things are pretty beautiful looking. They come in two different colors. You can get them in navy or you can get them in warm gray. Basically, they're designed to create peaceful, quiet, powerful digital noise canceling ambient awareness experience. And they've got a lot of different great features to them. 10 millimeter neodymium drivers. You can swipe control for volume and stuff on the unit. You just swipe back and forth. It's got industry-leading 10 hours of battery life. Includes a slim carrying case that provides additional 20 hours of playback. Adaptable digital noise cancellation. Latest beamforming technology for enhanced call quality. Seamless design with ergonomic fitting earbuds design, and IPX4 water resistant with 10 hours of battery life with noise canceling off at 75% volume. Comes with plenty of extra silicone ear tips for extra small, medium, large, and extra large, so that you can make sure you fit those well. Comes with a USB cable carrying pouch as well. We got a chance to test these out. They've got a great sound. I really like the ability to take and make adjustments to them by just swiping back and forth. The active noise canceling works really well. You can tap to double play or pause. You can tap once to cycle the noise canceling or ambient modes. And you can swipe up and down to adjust the volume. It's pretty darn neat. Has aptX technology, and it works really well. We were very impressed with it and listening to it. It's got some pretty good range of both bass, mid-range, and lots of highs. It's a nice, clear, sharp highs that I think most people will adjust and enjoy. They fit very comfortably, and I can recommend them. Go to ClearAudio.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Hit that bell notification, like, and we'll see you next time.